Hi friends, today we shall discuss joins. Joins used to retrieve the data from more than one table in a single query. Supports to query multiple tables. There are five types. Number first, equijoin. Number second, Cartesian join. Number third, non-equijoin. Number fourth, outer join, that is plus. Number fifth, self join. Now let us come to equijoin. Used to retrieve the data from more than one table based on equality condition. Tables must have common column between them to apply this join. If n tables are joined, n minus 1 conditions are applied. Example, list the employee details along with the department details. Let us try this example in Oracle SQL environment. Type C, will get command prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator. Say yes, maximize the screen. SQL plus / as sys dba. You can see SQL is connected successfully. Clear screen. Set page size to 150. Set line size to 150. Clear the screen. So let us start first example. List the employee details along with the department details. Copy and paste it here. Select EMP number, rename, job, sal, employee dot department number, dname, location from department, employee, where employee dot department number is equal to department dot department number. So if you press, you can see employee number, e-name, job, salary, department number, dname, and location. Now we shall come to Cartesian join. Used to retrieve the data from multiple tables without any condition. Used to retrieve data analysis report. Used to retrieve data analysis report. No need to have common column between tables to apply this join. Example, let us clear the screen and paste. Select EMP number, e-name, sal, job, employee or department number, department name, location from employee, comma department. So 56 rows are selected. So you can see EMP number, e-name, sal, job, department number, department name, and location. 56 rows are selected. Now we shall come to the next example, next join, that is non-equijoin, opposite of equijoin. Used to retrieve the data from multiple tables based on any other condition but not equal to. Example, list the employees along with their grade. Let us clear the screen and paste it here. Select EMP number, e-name, sal, job, department number, grade from employee, sal grade where sal between low sal and high sal. So you can see EMP number, e-name, sal, job, department number, and grade. It shows the grade. Now let us come to the next example, outer join, that is plus. Used to retrieve all the rows from table 1 even if join condition is not matching but only matching rows from table 2. Two types, left outer join and right outer join. Example, retrieve all employee details along with the department details. Left outer join. So we shall try this example. Copy. Let us clear the screen and paste. So here you can see EMP number, rename, sal, job, department number, department name, and location. This was left outer join. Now we shall come to right outer join. Retrieve all department details along with the employees working in it. That is right outer join. Note, in every outer join, equijoin is inbuilt. We shall try this example. First clear the screen. Here you can see EMP number, rename, sal, job, department number, department name, and location. Now comes the self join. Joining the table to itself. Table must have similar column repeated in itself to apply this join. Example, list the employee names along with their superior names. First clear the screen. Select worker.ename subordinate, manager.ename superior. From employee worker, employee manager, where worker.manager is equal to manager.emp number. So you can see subordinate and superior. Blake is having superior king. So Clark is having king. So these are the subordinate and these are the superior. That's it friends for today's video. I hope to see you in my next video. Please, if you like this video, share and subscribe this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.